drown when
this is a
encountering
PDS
flooded roads.
flash flood warning. Here we go.
The following message is for the following county: Harnett, North Carolina. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 10:15 a.m. this morning for north central Harnett and south central Wake counties. At 8:12 a.m., local law enforcement reports multiple road closures, including intersection of North Carolina 55 and Highway 42 in Fuquay, Varina, as well as a stranded vehicle due to flash flooding. Between 3 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, Angier, Holly Springs, Lake Wheeler, Lake Benson, and Duncan. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.